Hello, my name is Munsch. I did research comparing and contrasting organic food to inorganic foods. Organic food products have been ruling the supermarket since their initial emergence in the 1900s. Customers see the green label on products and immediately correlate that with health. However, the often accepted idea of organic products equal more nutrition is not necessarily true. Although it is commonly thought that organic food products are healthier and more environmentally friendly choice for customers to make, numerous recent studies suggest that organic products are not far off from conventional products when it comes to taste, nutrition, and environmentally friendly farming practices. The total yield of organic produce from the years 2000 to 2014 was 1.1 million tons as reported by Storeroom. As the number of people who choose organic food increases, more and more studies are conducted to decipher whether or not organic foods are really as well rounded as the public believes. Customers may choose to purchase solely organic products from a variety of reasons. Some customers believe that organic products practices are better for the environment than conventional farming techniques. Researchers conducted a study to determine the characteristics and ups and downs on the purchasing of organic foods. They surveyed shoppers at the time of purchasing organic items and found that the majority of responses believed that they should purchase organic items to help protect the environment. The environment, according to several sources, is the most important reason to why people go organic. But how much does the environment help with organic really? People believe organic farming is better for the environment because organic farmers supposedly refrain from using pesticides to protect their fruits and vegetables from pests. However, researchers from Stanford University examined over 250 studies comparing the nutrients in organic versus inorganic foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, poultry, meat, and eggs. The findings were quite interesting, reporting that in general, pesticide levels in both organic and non-organic foods were within allowable safety limits. Therefore, both organic and inorganic farmers are using chemical pesticides at some level. According to the above data, this goes against what the definition of organic farming entails, which is an agricultural system that uses ecologically based pest controls and biological fertilizers derived largely from animal and plant waste and nitrogen-fixing cover crops. Granted, organic farming products reportedly had lower levels of pesticides, but the idea surrounding organic farming is the complete lack of chemical pesticides. Another reason why people choose to go organic is because they believe they are consuming items with more nutritional value. However, Stanford's researchers noted that poultry reared in organic farms contain the bacteria responsible for food poisoning at levels equal to that of poultry reared in inorganic farms. Just as well, the researchers reported very little difference in nutritional content, aside from slightly higher phosphorus levels in many organic foods and higher omega-3 fatty acid content in organic milk and chicken. These are the results that are accumulated after examining over 250 studies comparing the nutrients in organic versus inorganic food. Likewise, Mary Jane Brown reports a review of 55 studies found no differences in nutritional content of organic versus regular crops, with the exception of lower nitrate levels in organic produce. Just as well, another review of 233 studies found a lack of strong evidence to conclude that organic foods are more nutritious than regular foods. An additional reason for customers to choose organic products over inorganic products would be because of perceived taste. Many people have claimed that organic fruits have much sweeter appeal as opposed to inorganic fruits. However, many social studies have been conducted as the results do not entirely align with the former. Researchers have provided a questionnaire to over 200 people, each from different age groups. The researchers' goal was to attain answers referring to customer perception with respect to organic products. They reported that about 11.5% did not perceive any differences between organic and conventional products. All in all, an individual has their own reasoning as to why they buy organic. It could be argued that organic goods really just carry out a placebo effect to its customers. In other words, customers could be hearing the basics of organic farming, which doing no research on the matter. Giving the products a go and believing that they are actually seeing results in the way of they feel during the day-to-day activities. Looking to the future, A thorough study should be done to determine whether or not it is true and can be carried out as a placebo study, controlled study. Researchers could gather a small population of people who only consume inorganic food products and are willing to participate. The population will be informed that they will each be receiving and consuming only organic foods for a month. However, there will be a subpopulation of people who will actually be consuming inorganic goods. At the conclusion of the allotted time, each individual will be interviewed and asked questions about, such as, Did you notice any changes in your digestion? Do you feel any different while performing your day-to-day activities? Do you feel the food that you are consuming tasted any better than the food that you consumed pre-trial? Etc. Results from the subpopulation of individuals, in other words, the individuals who are actually consuming inorganic products, should be compared to the results of the individuals actually consuming entirely organic goods. A study such as this will provide major insight on the perceptions of consumption of organic food items, as well as the philosophy of customers. All in all, it is ultimately up to each individual customer to determine whether the extra 10 to 30% charged for organic goods is worth it or not. Customers should be researching what they consume in order to truly know and understand what the nutritional intake will be. Individuals who know and swear by organic foods should be able to research their standpoint and legitimately have reasons for why to preach organic, that they can be backed by science. Nutrition, after all, is a science. If organic foods are worth the extra 30% in cost, there should be a clear scientific difference in the nutritional values in comparison to inorganic foods. And the research shows that there is just hardly any differences at all. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.